Hey Sean, how are you? Adrian here. Congratulations once again on being pre-approved. I know you saw the email from Becca. We see a loan amount or a purchase price of right around $215,000, depending on taxes and whatnot. So if you can, single family home, if it's a condo, there's a homeowners association, that would change some things because that does increase the monthly payment. So keep that in mind. Jackie will have to be looking at single family homes initially. If you are looking at condos, then we'll just have to find out what that HOA is and adjust the purchase price allowance according to the HOA amount, which it does vary, as well as taxes and insurance. So that's just kind of something we have to keep in mind. Also, we'll have to show a 12-month history of the auto loans being paid out of those other accounts that you mentioned. One other thing too, the great news about our 3.5% program, which is a 100% loan, so you have a 96.5% first mortgage with a 3.5% second, is it is a grant program. So after you've had that loan for 3 years, the second mortgage is forgiven, so it's a forgivable grant, and then you'll have just the 196.5% first mortgage that you'll have paid down by then. So let me know if you have questions there. We'll obviously be looking forward to meeting with you and talking through some more information. I'll give you a call as well to discuss further, but look forward to working with you, and thanks so much. Talk to you soon.